Hi, my name is Maka, and today I'm going to teach you about flowering plants, how they're pollinated, how they're dispersed, and the structure of a flower. A flowering plant is made out of two parts, the stamen and the pistil. The stamen is the male part of the flower, which is made up of the anther and the filament. The filament is the thin stalk that supports the anther in the male part of the flower. The anther is the top portion of the stamen and is where the male reproductive cells are produced in a flower. The stamen is the pollen-producing reproductive organ of a flower. The pistil is the female portion, which is made up of the stigma, style, ovary, and ovule. The ovule is the producing part of a flower. The ovary often supports a long style topped by a stigma. The mature ovary is a fruit and the mature ovule is a seed. Now I'm going to talk about pollination. As you can see, this is a flower. It is an insect-pollinated flower which is designed to attract insects with its petals, which are usually colorful. For example, a bee. It comes to a flower to get nectar, which are in the nectaries, which bees need to make honey. After pollination happens, all of the other parts of the flower, the female part, the male part, the petals, all dry up and fall off. The ovary then matures into a fruit, and the ovule is the seeds that are inside the fruit. Seeds can be dispersed in many ways by wind, water, animals, and people. This fruit and these seeds can be dispersed by humans. When they eat the fruit, they can be spread out somewhere else and then grow into a flower. So that's all about flowering plants. Bye.